How to fix the blue screen death error on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video we are simply going to learn how we can fix the blue screen death error on our Windows 11. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, before we get on with the fixes, first of all we need to understand why these types of error occurs. Now, whenever you're installing any kind of software or doing heavy tasks, you'll run into some kind of error which tells you that this PC ran into a problem. This usually happens because of corrupted files or drivers or any type of hardware related issues as well. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end because we are going to learn how we can fix that. The first things first, we are going to simply open our Windows and then we are going to simply go to Control Panel. As we go to Control Panel, here at the bottom you'll find an option called Programs, and here you want to simply select Uninstall a Program button. Now here you want to simply select any of the third-party applications which you think is causing the issue, because what happens is that whenever sometimes there is a third-party application, it is going to cause such type of errors due to not functioning properly. So make sure to simply disable or uninstall any type of third-party applications which you have installed on a device. Now, if this solution works for you, that is perfectly fine. If not, the next solution we are going to do is we are going to run through a scan on our system. Now, in order to run through a scan, first of all, we are going to simply open Command Prompt as an administrator. In the search box, type in CMD and then right click and then run as administrator. You want to simply make sure that you have actually run Command Prompt as an administrator. Now, once you open Command Prompt, here what you want to type in is you want to simply type in SFC /scannow. So you want to make sure to simply enter this command right over here and then hit enter. After you hit enter, it is going to take some time to begin the verification process, and it will scan your system for any kind of changes and any more. So you want to make sure until the scan is complete, go ahead and restart your computer. This is going to fix most of your issues which you have on your device. Now, if this solution worked for you, that is perfectly fine. If it didn't, then another solution we are going to go to is which is your final resort, is to simply open your Windows and go to settings. Once you go to settings, here you want to simply type in reset. Once you type in reset, here you want to simply select reset this PC option. Go ahead and reset your PC and see if your issue has been fixed or not. So we hope one of these solutions may have worked for you. If it did work for you, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts regarding this, also make sure to leave them down below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.